So here we've created our own Choose Your Adventure game using Python. We have our import to Kinter.message box. Here we have the class MyGUI. We initiate itself in the master, and with the master we can add the title and a radio variable, which will be used to help open a second window when our choices are selected. Here we create 3 frames, the top frame, the middle frame, and the bottom frame. We also add the radio variation equals the Kinter dot initiate variable, and we set the radio variable to 1. We create the widgets for the top frame, which contains our starting text for our Choose Your Own Adventure game using self.info equals the Kinter top label. We pack the top frame. We create the choices for the Choose Your Own Adventure using radio buttons, self.right, self.left, self.up, and self.down. They're all set to the middle frame. They all have names, right, left, up, down. They all have radio variables, and they each have a value that they're equal to. We pack the radio buttons and we anchor them to the west with padding of 20 to make everything look neat. We create the OK and the Quit button. The OK button allows us to select or go to the next window, which will open the secondary window, and the Quit button will destroy the main window. We pack our buttons and we pack our frames. Next, the secondary window. Once we make one of the radio button choices, the secondary window will check what value it is and open that class. Once there, we use the self.master equals master and self.right equals the Kinter.top level. The Kinter.top level creates a new window for us to use. We create the frames for our new window. We create the widgets for our new window, which shows the results of the choice we made in our Choose Our Own Adventure. We pack the top frame, we pack the frames, and the same thing it does for the other choices. We have class left GUI for the left choice, class up GUI for the up choice, and class down GUI for the down choice. And it repeats everything that the class right GUI had done. And here we have our main, which creates the window for our GUI, and this also allows the GUI root to handle the rest of the code up above, and allows us to open more than one window at a time, so players can easily go back and choose a different choice rather than turning on and off the game. And here we will show you what the game looks like while it's being ran. Here we have our title, just like in MyGUI self.master.title. Here we have the information, which is shown here for the widget for the top frame, and we have our choices, which all look nice and neat. We choose a choice, we click the button, OK, and it shows us a result in a different window.